So viewers, today I am going to teach you how to make a simple audio amplifier on your own which can power nearly any speaker. And this is how a pre-amplified commercial speaker sounds like. Okay, before I will show you how to make an amplifier, let's talk about why do we need an amplifier. We need amplifier to derive huge speakers, and we know that the power is equals to voltage time current and current is equals to voltage divided by resistance. As the resistance of these speakers are non-changeable, we need to increase the voltage. This was the non-amplified output waveform of the audio signal from the source, which is maximum up to 700 mV peak to peak. This is the amplified output waveform of the audio signal from the output of the self-made amplifier, which is maximum up to 5 volts peak to peak. Let's make it. This amplifier is based around the most popular LM386 class AB amplifier IC with practically no external components except some smoothing capacitors. Here is the schematic diagram of the amplifier with all the specifications of components used in it. And the maximum power output of the amplifier chip is around 1 watt. Which maybe not sounds like much, but trust me, 1 watt going into a speaker is sufficient to fill the entire room with full of sound. And we should put an 100 microfarad capacitor parallel to the power supply so that the chip can get power immediately for the higher bass notes. And here, it is necessary to use a capacitor with a huge capacitor rating of about 1000 microfarad or more to make sure that no DC voltage should pass through it and damage your speakers. And I am using 4700 microfarad one because it's the only one I have. And this capacitor is also used for filtering, and this will help to make sure that noise from the power supply should not get into the amplifier circuitry. This must be of rating above 47 microfarad. And yes, don't forget to put this 0.1 microfarad capacitor parallel to the output of the amplifier, as it will filter all the high frequency oscillations in the signal. And if you think this stuff is what all you want to make, then here is a tip. Make all the connections as short as possible so that you can reduce the amount of noise created by the circuit.
अब मैं आपको इसकी लाउडनेस दिखाता हूँ कि ये कितनी तेज आवाज इसकी जा सकती है। अब मैं कैमरे के पीछे खड़ा हूँ और आप इसकी आवाज सुन के देखें, और उस टाइम पे मैं कुछ बोलूंगा तो आप रिकॉग्नाइज करना कि आपको वो चीज समझ में आ रही है जो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ। दिस इज एक्सपेरिमेंटल हैक्स एंड टिप्स एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। दिस इज द नॉलेज ऑफ दिस सेटअप। नाउ हियर सम कूल म्यूजिक।
Lastly, thanks for watching, and if you like this small project then please let us know in the comment section below, and for more such videos subscribe to our YouTube channel.